Have you ever met a woman who seems to tell you everything? From her deepest secrets to her daily thoughts, she shares it all. But what does it really mean when a woman is this open with you? Is it a sign of trust, or is there something more to it? In today's video, we're exploring the fascinating topic, a woman who tells you everything. Stay tuned, because we're about to uncover some surprising insights. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join our growing community. And if you're a returning viewer, thanks for your continued support. Today we're diving deep into the intriguing dynamics of relationships and communication. Specifically, we're exploring what it means when a woman tells you everything. From the psychological reasons behind this behavior to the potential red flags and the signs of genuine trust, we've got it all covered. Is she genuinely open and trusting, or is there more beneath the surface? Understanding the reasons behind this behavior can help you navigate your relationships with greater insight and empathy. Stick around as we break down each aspect in detail, providing you with actionable insights and real-life examples. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of what it means when a woman tells you everything and how to respond in a way that strengthens your relationship. So, get comfortable, grab your favorite drink, and let's get started on this exciting journey. Here's what it means when a woman tells you everything. Number 1, understanding openness. Let's start by understanding what we mean by telling you everything. Openness in communication can be a sign of trust, vulnerability, and a desire for a deeper connection. But it's important to recognize that not all openness is created equal. When a woman tells you everything, it can range from sharing mundane details of her day to revealing her deepest fears and insecurities. This level of openness can be a powerful way to build intimacy, but it can also be overwhelming if not handled with care. Pay attention to the context and content of what she's sharing. Is it everyday chatter, or is she opening up about her past, her feelings, and her aspirations? Understanding the difference can help you respond appropriately and build a stronger connection. For instance, everyday details might include what she had for breakfast or a funny incident at work. Personal stories could be about her childhood, her family, or past relationships. Deep emotional sharing involves her fears, dreams, and insecurities. Each type of sharing serves a different purpose and requires a different response. Number 2, psychological reasons behind openness. Next, let's explore the psychological reasons why a woman might choose to tell you everything. There are several factors at play, from personality traits to past experiences and emotional needs. Some women are naturally more expressive and feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and feelings. For others, this level of openness might be a way to seek validation, reassurance, or a deeper emotional connection. It's important to recognize that openness can also be a coping mechanism. For instance, someone who has experienced trauma or rejection in the past might overshare as a way to seek acceptance and avoid feeling abandoned. Being aware of these underlying reasons can help you respond with empathy and understanding. For example, an extroverted personality might naturally enjoy sharing thoughts and experiences, while someone with a history of abandonment might share excessively to feel more secure in the relationship. Understanding these motivations can help you navigate the relationship with greater empathy. Number 3, trust vs. red flags. Now let's talk about the fine line between trust and potential red flags. While openness can be a sign of deep trust, it can also indicate other issues that need to be addressed. If a woman is telling you everything, It's crucial to assess whether this openness is rooted in genuine trust, or if it might be a sign of insecurity, dependency, or even manipulation. For example, if she shares every detail of her life but becomes anxious or upset if you don't reciprocate, this could be a red flag. Healthy relationships are built on mutual trust and respect. If you feel overwhelmed or uncomfortable with the level of openness, it's important to communicate your boundaries clearly and compassionately. Encourage balanced and reciprocal sharing to foster a healthy dynamic. Signs of genuine trust include mutual respect, balanced sharing, and emotional security. Red flags might include excessive neediness, emotional manipulation, or lack of respect for your boundaries. Being able to distinguish between these can help you build healthier relationships. Number 4, navigating conversations. So, how do you navigate conversations with a woman who tells you everything? Effective communication is key. Here are some tips to help you manage these interactions in a positive and supportive way. First, practice active listening. Show that you are genuinely interested in what she has to say by maintaining eye contact, nodding, and responding thoughtfully. This helps build trust and shows that you value her openness. Second, share your own thoughts and feelings. While it's important to be a good listener, reciprocity is crucial for balanced communication. Share your own experiences and insights to create a two-way dialogue. Lastly, set healthy boundaries. If you feel overwhelmed by the amount of information being shared, it's okay to gently steer the conversation or take breaks. Communication should be comfortable and enjoyable for both parties. For example, if she's sharing a lot about her day, you might say, "That sounds really interesting. Let me tell you about something that happened to me today." This keeps the conversation balanced and engaging for both of you. Number 5, building healthy communication. Building healthy communication habits is essential for any relationship. Here are some strategies to ensure that openness leads to a stronger, more fulfilling connection. First, practice empathy. Try to understand her perspective and emotions. This helps create a safe space where she feels valued and understood. Second, be honest and transparent. Share your own boundaries and needs clearly. Honesty builds trust and helps prevent misunderstandings. Finally, be patient and supportive. Building strong communication takes time and effort. Encourage each other to share and listen, and be willing to work through challenges together. For example, if she's opening up about a difficult experience, you might say, "I can see that this is really important to you, and I appreciate you sharing it with me. Let's talk about how we can support each other through this." This approach fosters mutual support and understanding. Deep dives and real-life examples. To give you even more depth, let's explore some real-life examples and case studies of how openness impacts relationships. These examples will help you understand different scenarios and how to handle them effectively. Example 1, case study of trust and openness. Meet Sarah and Tom. Sarah is naturally open and loves to share her day with Tom. She feels comfortable and trusts him deeply. Tom listens actively and shares his own thoughts, creating a balanced and trusting relationship. In this case, Sarah's openness is a sign of genuine trust and comfort. Tom's active listening and reciprocal sharing help strengthen their bond. This is an example of healthy communication where both partners feel valued and respected. Example 2, case study of red flags. Now, meet Emily and Jack. Emily shares every detail of her life with Jack and becomes anxious if he doesn't do the same. She constantly seeks reassurance and validation from Jack, making him feel overwhelmed and pressured. In this scenario, Emily's openness is rooted in insecurity and dependency. Jack needs to set clear boundaries and encourage balanced communication to avoid feeling overwhelmed. This example highlights the importance of recognizing red flags and addressing them with empathy and care. And there you have it, understanding what it means when a woman tells you everything. From the psychological reasons behind openness to navigating conversations and building healthy communication, we've covered it all. Remember, openness can be a beautiful sign of trust and connection, but it's important to navigate it with empathy, understanding, and clear boundaries. By fostering healthy communication, you can build stronger and more fulfilling relationships. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and any experiences you've had with open communication in your relationships. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and remember, healthy communication is the foundation of any strong relationship. Embrace openness with empathy and care, and you'll see your connections flourish. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and keep growing.